Hi guys, and welcome back to mathematics class with teacher Matthew. Today we're going to talk about numbers, reading ordinal number symbols. But before we continue, I'd like us to revise our numbers 1 to 10. So we read this as 1, right? So being the first number, we call it first, writing it with ST. And the second number is second. We write it with ND, second, and we read it as second. Now, 3 being the third number, we write it with RD, call it third. Now, 4 being the fourth number, we write it with TH, and we read it as fourth. 5 being the fifth number, we write it with TH, and we read it as fifth. Now 6 being the sixth number, we write it with TH and read it as sixth. 7 being the seventh number, we write it with TH and we read it as seventh. Now 8 being the eighth number, we write it with TH and we read it as eight. And 9 being the ninth number, we write it with TH and we read it as ninth. And 10 being the 10th number, we write it with TH and we read it as 10th. So we're going to stop right here for now. Let's go back to the lesson. Now let's take a look at the picture. What is happening in this picture? We can see some athletes standing on the podium. This person got the first position, and this person got the second position, and this person got the third position. Now let's take a look at this toy. Which ring went on first? The purple ring went on first, followed by the orange. The blue ring is the third. And the green ring went on fourth. Again, the purple ring went on first, followed by the orange ring, then the blue ring is the third, and the green ring is the fourth. Where else would you describe things as first, second, and third? During the sports day, when you're running a race, we have positions as first, second, third, fourth, and so on. So now let's go on to the workout. Draw lines to connect the dots in order. Let's do the part A first. So we're going to connect from the first to the second, to the third, to the fourth, and to the fifth. So we can connect from the first to second, to third, to fourth, and to fifth. Part B, the same. First to second, to third, to fourth, to fifth, and to sixth. Workout number 2. Draw to connect the dots in order. So what do we have in these pictures? Part A, we have flower. In part B, we have a sheep. Now let's go on to number 3. The first scoop of ice cream is strawberry. Color these scoops. Now part A, color the second scoop blue. There you go, part A. Now part B, color the fourth scoop red. There you have it. Now part C, color the third scoop green. For the fast finishers, draw happy face in the first, third, fifth, seventh, and ninth positions. Then draw sad face in the other positions to make a pattern. So we have happy face, happy face, happy face, happy face, and a happy face. Write the name of the last position. So we've got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So we write 10th position. Now let's go on to the practice. Practice 1.11. Draw lines to connect the dots in order. So I'd like the student to do this and send it back to teacher in the group line. Subscribe. Subscribe now. What are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe now.